Okay, let's take a look at this free response question. The average bond enthalpies for OO single bond and OO double bond are 146 and 496 kilojoules per mole. Find the enthalpy change for this reaction. So I'm going to compare my break and my make. If I look at what I'm breaking here, I have OH bonds. I have 2 molecules of it, so I'm going to break 4 OH single bonds. And I'm going to break 1 OO single bond. If I look at what I'm making OO double bond, and I'm also making 4 OH single bonds. Do you notice, oh, I'm sorry, this needed to be a 2 because there were 2 molecules of that. Okay, do you see how I am breaking 4 OH bonds and then making 4 OH bonds? Those cancel out. However much energy it takes to break is how much energy can be released on the making side. And then in this problem, they didn't give me that OH bond value, so I couldn't have used it. This was actually originally a multiple choice question, and I just took away the choices and simplified the question a little bit. So now if I find my breaking energy, 2 times 146 will be 292. My making energy will be 1 times 496. Breaking is endothermic, making is exothermic. So now if I do 292 minus 496, I will get my answer. 292 minus 496, negative 204 kilojoules per mole. Let's take a look at one more in this recording. This looks like a Hess's law question. So I'm going to take the first reaction. What does it have in common with my goal reaction? CO2. Correct number? Yes. Correct side? Yes. I'm not going to do anything to that heat value. My second reaction, what does it have in common with the goal? MnO2. Correct number? Yes. Correct side? No. I need to reverse that reaction. And in doing so, I'm changing the sign of its heat value. I'm going to rewrite my initial reaction to see if these indeed add up. Canceling, we've got an O2 canceling, and now I have my 2 reactants and I have my 2 products, and we're good. So if I combine these 2 heat values, positive 520 minus 390 gives me positive 130 kilojoules. Okay, one more Hess's law question here. Similar idea. I'm not going to check the adding up on this one. So my first reaction has MgO in common, wrong side, so I need to reverse it. My second reaction has water in common, and hydrogen actually. Correct number, correct side, I don't have to do anything to it. Combining these 2 heat values, 602 minus 242 gives me positive 360.